Yep, those are eggs.
These are eggs?
Daddy had to take a short video of those.
Ah! You gotta break it!
You got Space Angry Bird jammies.
It's for me.
Those are
Don't
for
put it
you.
on the floor. You put it in for that. Oh, you gotta put it in for that.
This one is for Hudson.
You can get it. You can. Huh? What? What's that thing for?
This one is for Lily. Hold on, Lincoln.
But
Put it
that's
on your head.
That's this. Mom, look.
What do you have? Do you need some help? Sure. You put this on your head, and then we wrap you up, and you look like a little piggy. And you're a black bird. I hope you don't explode. Here we go. Do you like those soft blankies?